Okay guys, today I'm making more slime. So today you'll be needing glue, a measuring cup, half, just a teaspoon, baking soda, and something to mix it in. Food coloring is totally optional though. The same recipe as the last one. Oh, and you do need a contact solution. It's the same recipe as the last one. I'm just making more because I want more. So let me get the cup. Okay guys. Throwing up. I have half a cup, so I have to do it twice. Okay guys. My sister's doing Musically next to me.
Let it download, okay? There, push it. Download it on my phone.
It is on! Okay. Okay, let me mix it until it's the pink I want it to be. Okay. That's what it looks like. It might look white to y'all guys, but it's pink. I need more, okay guys? Okay, let me make sure it gets to the pink I want it to be. It's not the pink I want it to be yet. It looks like that. Okay, we need to put one more drop. Well, I'm gonna put it until I get the pink I want because I want the pink I want. Yeah. Let's keep on doing it. It's getting darker. Nope, it's not as dark though. I need one more drop. Just one more drop. That took 4 drops. So it's gonna take 4 drops to get the one I want. I really need a video camera. Oh crap, it's got blue stuff in it. Yeah, that's. I need one more drop.
That's not slime.
You have to get the color you want the glue to be first, before you make slime. Oh, my sister's in the video. She just got out of doing whatever she was doing. Oh, she got some Sprite. Here. I'm looking for the teaspoon. Here it is. So, I'm gonna get a teaspoon and 1/4 a teaspoon, guys. They're talking about my brother and girlfriend and stuff like that. Yo.
I got it.
I see you don't want me to talk about that. I'm in the middle of my video. Wait. I need to get this. No, don't. I'm gonna mix it. It's okay. You'll be fine.
No, I mixed it.
No, I mixed it. Silly lady. She's drinking her Sprite.
Sprite. I want some in here.
Okay, it's time to add the contact solution. Oh my god. I'm doing this again. Okay, stop with the Sprite, Lacey.
But they said they wanted more.
No, they didn't. You silly. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute. Okay, this is what it looks like. Wait, I'm gonna mix it and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like. What it should look like. It shouldn't start to be. Well, it should barely start to become slime. Stop it.
There you go.
Why are you trying to grab their faces?
Grab your face. And you know, it's my face now. Yeah, I'll rip it off. There you go.
See, that's what it looks like. That's what it should look like. You only add a little bit of contact solution at a time, or else they won't become slime.
We want 5,000 subscribers.
Okay, yeah. If this video can reach 5 likes, I will be amazed.
I'll give you fidget spinners.
She'll try to give you fidget spinners.
Yeah.
As long as we get your PO box, then we give you fidget spinners.
What?
Oh, it's not slime yet. Okay, this is. Get your face out the camera, Lacey. This is what it should look like. It's. What did she do to y'all?
I'm staring at myself.
Get your face out the camera, lady.
Holy moly.
Please.
Jinx black out, Mama. Jinx black out.
Who'd you jinx? Okay, guys, I'm mixing it again. Guys, I'm gonna touch it. The little. No, wait. It's too sticky.
Where did you get this? Or me?
No, that's my jar.
I hid it, the dog treats in it, and I just
Nope,
put them in
guys,
another.
it ain't
Put 'em in a
worth
plastic
it
bag.
yet. Yes, I'm recording. Get that Sprite. We're not.
Did you know I got you some new goggles?
Ooh, can you sponsor my channel one time, Grandma? I don't know when. Sponsor my channel.
You have to look for this this second. 1, 2, 3, 3 seconds. But I'm about to be second. She's about to be in 4. I'm about to be in second. Me. She is about to be in 4s. 4s, I mean. And my brother Gage is about
No,
to be
I touched it again. Now you can stop telling them personal things. I gotta let it sit for a minute, okay, guys? So I'm gonna pause the video. Guys, it's ready to start.
You want to get out?
Open the
Stop, Lacey.
You do the pool?
Right.
Let me go get you a towel, okay?
You really want the YouTube to see it, then you put it right there, okay, Lacey? Guys, I'm gonna wash my hands real quick before I mix it.
If you like my shirt, give us 5,000 unicorns.
Unicorn lights.
5,000.
By unicorns, she means light.
Unicorn lights.
Unicorn. It ain't turning into slime yet, guys. It's like slime, but I'll go in with my hands whenever it's not as sticky. Yeah, I'm going in with my hands, guys. You have to work it with your hands, guys. Like this. The Sprite bell. I guess YouTube doesn't like Sprite. Okay, guys. That was a bad idea to go in with my hands, but I'm still doing it. Because this is working. Because I added more contact solution. Guys, I need to get the bottom. Which is still like blue. Crap. If you like slime if you want more slime DIY, subscribe to this channel. Crap. I'm gonna put contact solution on my hands. It's on my hands, guys. Ow, crap, that did hurt. I need to put more. It's okay, guys. If I get in trouble, give this 5,000 likes. I'll appreciate it. But I just like, can I have like 5 likes on this video? I'm gonna start playing with it. It's like my last slime. It gets stuck in your hands if you don't play with it quickly. It's like a bubblegum pink. But just so you know, you can use acrylic paint. It totally works. Guys, crap, 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 crap. I'm gonna keep on saying crap until this thing stops sticking as much. Guys, I have to do this, like, really bad. Oh my god, I'm so mad. I'm not gonna get as much slime, guys. Guys, I'm gonna put it in the bowl real quick. Well, the cup. Oh no, it's getting stuck to me bad. Guys, gives this 10 likes for how much slime got dropped out. I'm gonna get as much off as I can, guys. Let me pause. Okay, guys, I got that off. I got that off the mind. Now I have some slime to mix up. Yeah, guys, this is working good. So let's see, is there anything wrong? Nope, because I cleaned it all off. That was that was the same slime recipe in a different color. Wow. This could be you could say this is like bubblegum slime. Yeah, this is a bubblegum slime recipe. Hey guys, bye. I'm out. Peace out.